Welcome to this lesson on how to use new custom instructions feature of ChatGPT. In this lesson, we'll show you how to add preferences or requirements that you'd like ChatGPT to consider when generating its responses. Custom instructions is the new feature that was introduced by OpenAI on July 20, 2023. This feature is initially available in beta users with ChatGPT Plus plan, but it's now also accessible to users with a free plan. Custom instructions allow you to add preferences or requirements that you'd like ChatGPT to consider when generating its responses. The model will consider the instructions every time it responds, so you won't have to repeat your preferences or information in every conversation. For example, a teacher crafting a lesson plan no longer has to repeat that they're teaching third grade science. A developer prefers efficient code in language that's not Python. They can say it once and it's understood. Now, let's create your custom instruction. Think about the response you need. Write down your instructions in simple language. To turn on custom instructions, click your account, click Custom Instructions, toggle this icon to enable it for new chats. Then answer these questions. What would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? If you need help to start, you can click this Show Tips icon to answer some thought starter questions. For example, where are you based? What do you do for work? What are the hobbies and interests? What subjects can you talk about for hours? What are some goals you have? Just type in your answer in less than 1,500 characters. Make sure to keep your answers clear and specific. For example, here's a template that you can try. I'm based in location. Professionally, I'm your job role with a passion for your hobbies and interests. Can talk at length about subjects you're knowledgeable in, and I have strong interest in achieving your goals. Sharing these details will help ChatGPT understand you better and provide responses that align with your preferences and needs. Now, let's go to the second question. How would you like ChatGPT to respond? Click this icon to see some thought starter questions. How formal or casual should ChatGPT be? How long or short should responses generally be? How do you want to be addressed? Should ChatGPT have opinions on topics or remain neutral? Type in your answer in less than 1,500 characters. Again, keep it clear and specific. For example, I would like ChatGPT to respond in a friendly and approachable manner. You can start with questions like, tell me more about, or what are your thoughts on? Responses should be concise and to the point, and around 2 to 3 sentences in length. You can address me casually by my name. It's better for ChatGPT to remain neutral and provide factual information rather than expressing personal opinions on topics. Once you're done answering all the questions, click the Save button and click New Chat. Send a prompt to test the response if it matches your custom instructions. Experiment with prompt styles. Use statements, questions, or scenarios to guide ChatGPT to the right response. Context is your friend. Along with your instructions, provide a bit of information. This helps ChatGPT understand your topic better. Patience is key. While custom instructions improve your chances, perfection might need a few tries. Try again and check if the response matches your custom instructions. If not, no worries. Refine your instructions or prompt and give it another go. Pro tip: if you're discussing something specific, throw in keywords or jargon. This helps ChatGPT understand your intent. Remember, custom instructions allow you to fine tune ChatGPT responses to match your preferences. By providing details on the desired tone, length, addressing style, and even opinions, you can make your conversation with ChatGPT more personalized and in line with your needs. So, you're in control. With custom instructions, you shape the conversations. Practice and tweak until you find the sweet spot.